Remove the ADF tray. Push it in the middle, then push it out. It has 2 tabs. Remove the top cover. Push it on one side, then remove it. It could be difficult, but this is a method. Remove the paper tray. Press it in the middle, then slide it out. To remove the paper input tray, remove the 2 screws on the back of the printer. Remove the plastic plate. Slide out the paper tray. These are the paper pickup rollers. You can clean them with alcohol. To remove the power supply, press the clip. Remove the power supply. Disconnect its cable. If you need to change the power supply, be sure to buy the right part. Remove the 2 screws. Remove this part. Remove the back cover. These are the paper rollers. It's possible to clean them with alcohol. Now you have to remove the glass assembly. Remove the 2 screws on the top of the printer. Remove the 2 screws on the back of the printer. Lift the glass assembly. Remove the 3 flat cables. Remove the glass assembly. Now you can get inside the printer. This is the main board, the carriage motor, the cartridge holder, the wasting pads. Check the mylar strip. It must be clean and straight. To remove the wasting pads, remove the plastic cover plate. Unlock it from the hooks. Remove the screw. Remove the ink collector. Remove these 2 screws. Remove the wasting pad assembly. Now you can clean them or change them. Reinstall the wasting pad assembly. Reinstall the two screws. Reinstall the ink collector. Insert the screw. To open the scanner unit, remove the 8 screws on the back. Now you can open the scanner unit. Be careful that the scanner is now free to move inside the unit. This is a scanner lamp. You can clean it or check it for broken parts. Insert the 3 flat cables of the scanner cover. Reinstall the cover. Insert the 4 screws. Reinstall the back cover. The installation of this part could be tricky. You have to insert this tab into the slot of this gear. Insert the 2 screws. Reinsert the cable of the power supply. Reinstall the power supply. Install the paper tray. Install the plastic part. Insert the 2 screws. Install the paper exit tray. Insert the top cover. Install the ADF tray. and the work is done.